Good morning friends. I'm Divya. I'm from New Jersey. I recently finished Money Magic Script class from Guruvu Garu. I wanted to share my experience from MMS workshop. I felt this is the best thing that have ever happened to me. The main motive of this class is to take out deep-rooted negative beliefs of money. This helps to dig out the negative thoughts that are present in the mind. Not only about money, even the personal things that we consciously don't know that they even exist. In the beginning, I used to get a lot of negative thoughts about past. At one point, I realized why I'm even thinking about it every day. Maybe because of thinking about the dead time, I'm not progressing in the life. I just forgave the situations and also people who involved in it. I made peace with myself. Now I'm working towards my goals. It will be very helpful for your personal life, career, relationships. In the end, you will get a wonderful friend, which is you. Thank you so much, friends.